This video describes the way to install a shortcut on your desktop computer for opening a near-miss form if you don't have one. By the way, this process only works on a Windows computer and not yet on an Apple or Mac computer. Working on that, but not ready yet. There are two ways to do it. One way is to log into the WSS near-miss site using your web browser and select your site and your login and your password, which, by the way, if you don't have one, you need to contact your site manager to get one. Once you've logged into the site, you can install a form shortcut. Click on that and you'll probably get the typical sort of security questions about, do you really want to run this file, because we're going to be installing an installation file on your computer and it needs your permission. You would say run or OK, or in this particular case you get actions, run anyway, the kind of things you need to say to tell your security system that it's okay. Then this will be the form that pops up that's really going to install the shortcut. I recommend that you install for all users, that way no matter who is using your computer or who's logged in on your computer, the shortcut will show. And when you click that, if it's successful, it will say OK. And once you're done, you should find somewhere on your desktop this icon with the near-miss image, and this, when you now double click this, it will open up a near-miss form in your site, and it knows that this is pertaining to your site because you created it by logging into the website. Okay, one thing I would say is that in a number of organizations, your IT folks have restricted your ability to install programs or to have other programs copy files, and you may need to get a hold of them to do this so that they can log into your computer as the administrator, or other ways they have for doing something like this on your computer. Now, the second way to do it is that you will periodically get an email called the near-miss form reminder email that is just asking you about every couple weeks if you know of any near-miss event. In that email is also a link to install a shortcut on your computer if you don't, which you may want to use if you don't have one. The same thing, you'll get some security questions. Do you really want to run it? You say yes, run it, and it will say run anyway. Yes, whatever the questions are, same thing, install for all users. I've already installed, so I won't do it again. And that's how you can get a shortcut on your computer. Again, this is a YouTube video. If you have any comments or suggestions for improving it, make that below, or send it to us in an email at support@wssnearmiss.com. Thanks.